now?
Now you see that white thing. That white.
It's red.
Why is red and white?
Because that means it's recording you. Come on, don't you want to record us doing some push-ups?
Yeah.
Put it right here. You gotta stay?
Yeah.
Let's see if it can see us do push-ups. No, I think I need to change it a little bit. There. Ready? Ready, set, go! Great job! High five! You want to lift some weights now?
No.
No, you don't want to do weights?